filter care and maintenance, this week's hot tub tip. Regardless of the filter that you have, big or small, the screw-in kind, or even the mini micro filters, filter maintenance is crucial for looking after your hot tub. Think of it kind of like your lungs or your heart of your body. Having a properly operational filter will extend and improve your enjoyment on your spa. We have two different ways of cleaning filters. If you prefer a liquid method, we have that. If you prefer the pucks, we got that as well. Key is letting it sit for 24 hours. We take our filters, we put them into the bucket. A bucket that's about the same size as your filter. So if you have a real tall filter, you want to get a long, narrow bucket. Put the pucks or the liquid in there. It is concentrated. So you want to have about the same dilution to the volume of water that you can. So the less water you're using, the higher the concentration, the cleaner your filter is going to be. Let it sit there for 24 hours. Pull it out, spray it off. We have a couple different kits for spraying. We have the filter flosser, screws onto the hose, hot water, and you clean out that filter. We also have the box kits that come with that wand, as well as a spray cleaner built inside that for a quick, easy clean. How often you should clean your filters depends on how often you use it. Bare minimum, you should change your water at least 4 times a year. So every season, you need to change your water. At that time, it's a great opportunity to change your filter, clean it. If you are looking after your filters, you can extend the life of them to about 2 years. If you are a heavy user in your spa, like you're in there every day like myself, you're going to want to clean these guys about once a month. The more you clean them, the more you look after them, the longer they're going to last for you, and you're going to have a nice, clear filtering water system. More questions, whatever you got, leave comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.